In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add roles and permissions in Wix. Take for example, let's say you have a website and you want to grant permission to your developer or to somebody else to manage your website, or maybe to your SEO expert. So what do? How do you go about it? The first thing is that you go to settings, come to your dashboard, go to settings, click on settings. And then when you come to settings, look for roles and permissions. This is roles and permissions. And it's going to take a little bit of time to load. Now here is the owner of the website. If you want to invite collaborators, I'll click on invite collaborators. And it says your current plan allows for 5 collaborator seats. To add more, upgrade your plan. So I'm going to just say jungle at justice.com. So I'm going to add jungle at justice.com, and you're going to have to define what role you're giving them. Are they a co-owner? Maybe you sold shares to this company and you want to give part ownership, or is the person a website manager, or is it each person can have up to 3 roles, but some roles are not they can't go together. Is this person a website designer? You see, each role has different levels of access. Website manager has access to manage, edit, and publish site, but cannot manage billing, delete, duplicate, or transfer. A website designer can edit the site, manage settings and apps, but cannot access inbox, contacts, and other sensitive data. And then back office manager can access the dashboard and manage site settings, apps, but cannot edit the site. So they have thought of everything. And then you can also grant the person permission as a CMS editor, CMS admin, billing manager, domain manager. This person can connect and manage domains but not make purchases. So these are different levels of roles. There's also store manager, can perform all POS and access the dashboard but cannot edit payment details. So in this case, we want to give this person, if you want the highest level of access, just give the person co-ownership and they can edit everything. But be careful whom you give this level of ownership to. So in my case, I'm just going to say web designer, and the person can also create content. And then you can click on send invite. You can also add more. You can add more here. You can also say hunter at haunted.com. And you can add this. And when you click on send invite, they are going to receive their invites and they can begin accessing this website. They are going to receive it in their email, and when they click that email, they can accept the invitation and they can go ahead and collaborate on this website. So if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell, and watch the next video on this style. Peace.